Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Leeds Online Support Program. On behalf of Leeds School System, I hope you all are fine and having a great time with your families at your homes. As you all know, this is our second lecture of week 1. Lecture, let's learn the directions left and right. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Now students, let's practice finding left or right. Students, tell me, is the goat on the left or the right? Yes, you are right. The goat is on the left side. Next, tell me, is the boy on the motorcycle on the left or the right? Yes, the boy on the motorcycle is on the right. Now students, we have a worksheet. And in this worksheet, first of all, you have to color the flower on the left. So which flower will you color? Yes, you will color this flower as it is on the left. Now, you have to color the butterfly on the right. Students, which is the right side? Yes, you will color the butterfly on this side. Now, color the kite on the left. So let's color it. Yes, we will color this kite. And now color the ant on the right. Student, which ant will be colored? Yes, we will color this ant as it is on the right side. Now we have color the hen on the left. So which is the left side, students? Yes, we will color this hen as it is on the left side. Well done, students, and thank you so much. I hope you now have a concept of right or left, as knowing the right or left direction help us in giving directions to the other people. Students, kindly practice the concept of right and left with your parents and your siblings at your home. And remember that as a Muslim, always drink or eat with your right hand. Take care and Allah Hafiz.